children. How are you? Very fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook volume 2. Open your workbook volume 2 page number 12. All of you open your workbook volume 2 page number 12. Complete the following sentences by adding D or ED to the words in brackets. Amma, you have to write the past form of given verbs. Present form is given. We have to write the past form. I climbed a wall. Climb. Climb అంటే ఎక్కుతాను. ఎక్కేసాను అంటే I climbed. Climbed. Climb. Climbed. ఏం యాడ్ చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ? I added ed to make into past. Past లో చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే ed యాడ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? Walk. Walk. Walked. What is added? Ed. Okay? Like that we had right. Like the past form of the given verbs. First one. Swami and his dog dashed to the hole. Walk. Walk past form is walked. Walk past form is walked. W-A-L-K-E-D. Walked. E-D added. Write down. The mouse dashed milk to Swami. Serve. Serve past form is served. D add cheyali. S-E-R-V-E-D. Only D added because already E is there. Next. Sheila dashed the plants in the garden. Water. Watered. W-A-T-E-R-E-D. Watered. Next. Swami dashed the milk. Like past form is liked. L-I-K-E-D. Liked. The dog dashed at the mouse. Bark, past form is barked. B-A-R-K-E-D. Barked. Walk, walked. Serve, served. Water, watered. Like, liked. Bark, barked. These are the past forms. Okay? Come to your notes. Completed? Very good. Next. Red opposites. Come opposite. Come opposite is come, back, cool, near, dark, soft. Come opposite, go. Come, go. Back. Back opposite is front. Back, front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Cool, hot. Cool opposite is hot. Cool, hot. Near, far. Near, far. Darker, light. Darker, light. Soft, hard. Soft, hard. Come to your notes. Next. Make sentences of your own using the following words. Amma. magic, picture, adventure, bright, beautiful, great. The words are given. We have read the sentences of our own. First one, magic. A magician. I like to know magic. I like to know magic. I like to know magic. Next, picture. I paint my sister painted a beautiful picture. Painted a beautiful picture. Next, adventure. The brave children did a great adventure. Did a great adventure. Did a great adventure. The brave children did a great adventure. Bright. Today is a bright day. Today is a bright day. Next, beautiful. I have a beautiful dress. I have a beautiful dress. I have a beautiful dress. Great. My father is great to me. 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 Next, observe the picture and complete each sentences with the D-R-E-D form of the verbs. Complete your notes, Nana. Complete, Nana. I'm rubbing. Next switch. Observe the pictures and complete each sentences with the D-R-E-D form of the verb. They dash happily. What they are doing? They're dancing happily now. Right, dance. Past form we had right. They danced happily. We dashed loudly. We laughed loudly. Laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. We laughed loudly. Next. The monkey dash. The monkey jumped. Past form. The monkey jumped. The boy dashed TV. The boy watched. The boy watched TV. Watched. She dashed in the park. She ran in the park. She ran in the park. Next. The kids dash football. The kids are played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. The kids are played football. Next. Ajay dashed the ladder. Ajay dashed the ladder. Ajay climbed. C-L-I-M-B-E-D. Climbed. Ajay climbed the ladder. Next. Preeti dashed dinner. Preeti ate dinner. Ate. Oh, she is preparing no cooked nana. Cooked. She is preparing the dinner no cooked. C-O-O-K-E-D. Cooked. Preeti cooked dinner. First one. They danced happily. We laughed loudly. The monkey jumped. The boy watched TV. She dashed in the park. She ran in the park. The kids played football. Ajay climbed the ladder. Preeti cooked dinner. Okay? Workbook is completed. All of you take your activity book. Take your activity book. Take your activity book, page number 'Amma, open your activity book, page number 16. Page number 16. Open everybody. Open your activity book, page number 16. Color the magician. What you have to do here? You have to color it. Color the given picture. You must color this. In the color shade. Okay? Sorry, I did not say 14 page number. Activity book page number 14 meeku nenu cheppaledu. All of you open your activity book page number 14. See Nana. Complete the sentences by using the correct conjunctions. And, but, because, we have to use these conjunctions. And, but, because, if, as, so. I am tall. My sister is short. I am tall, but my sister is short. Add here but, B-U-T, but. I am tall, but my sister is short. But use cheyandi kada. Second one. Raju took a chocolate. Ate it. Raju took a chocolate and ate it. And. Next. Sona put on her raincoat. It was raining. as it was raining. As. As. I am sweating. Dash. The weather is too hot because I am getting sweat because weather is too hot. Because you can watch the movie. Oh, so as you like. Amma ikkada as you like. Sona put her raincoat. Here Nana, here write if. Sona put her raincoat if it was raining. If. Second one is if and the fifth one is as. You can watch the movie as you like. As. Kirti ran faster than others. She ran faster than others so that she can she could win the race. So, okay, I am tall but my sister is short. Raju took a chocolate and ate it. Sona put on her raincoat if it was raining. If. I am sweating. Why I am sweating? Because the weather is too hot. You can watch the movie as you like. Kirti ran faster than others so that she could win the race. So, complete your notes. Next, join the sentences on either side using the correct conjunctions. The team was happy. Yeah. The team was happy. Lalita or the same dress. Lalita or the same dress. They went to the zoo. They went to the zoo. You missed the bus. You missed the bus. The school was closed. The school was closed. The school was closed. Kishan ate an ice cream. Kishan ate an ice cream. Kishan ate an ice cream. If. What are the conditions we have to use? If and so become as because and last one is but. Here they could not see the tiger. They could not see the tiger. I came home. I came home. A cake. They won the match. They won the match. You come late. You come late. Her sister. Here, the team was happy. Why the team was happy? They could not see the tiger. I came home. Okay, they won the match. When the team was happy? If they won the match. Sorry. The team was happy because they won the match. Match to because the team was happy because they won the match. Match here. Because match to won the match. The team was happy because they won the match. Okay. Next. Lalita wore the same dress. Lalita wore the same dress. They could not see the tiger. I came home. A cake. You come late. Her sister. Amma, Lalita wore the same dress. Her sister. As her sister. As her sister. Amma, as me acheyandi kada. As her sister. Here, as to her sister. Lalita wore the same dress as her sister. Our sister and Lalita both wore the same dress. Okay? Match. They went to the zoo. What do we do? What do we see on the zoo? In the zoo, they could not see the tiger. They went to the zoo. They went to the zoo, but they did not see the tiger. Zoo kellar kaani zoo lo tiger kanpinchaledu. But where is bird? Amma match enti ikkada bird ki. They went to the zoo, but they went to the zoo, but they did not see the tiger. They could not see the tiger. They could not see the tiger. Next, you missed the bus. When do you miss the bus? You missed the bus. I came home. A cake. You come late. When do you miss the bus? If you come late. Late ga vaste bus miss avutam. You come. You miss the bus. If you miss the bus. If you come late. You come late. Come late match andi. You miss the bus if you come late. If you come late. Late. You miss the bus if you come late. Kishan ate an ice cream. Ice cream. And the school was closed. Here. This is here. No. You miss the bus if you come late. The school was closed. The school was closed. So I came late. Amma ikkada so match andi. The school was closed. So I came late. The school was closed. So I came late. So the school was closed. So to I came late. Next, Kishan ate an ice cream and amma ikkada and match andi. And Kishan ate an ice cream and a cake. A cake. Kishan ate an ice cream and a cake. Okay? Update your answers. Next. Next one is each picture represents a verb. Write the in form of the verb that is given. What they are doing? What they are doing? Laughing. Write are laughing. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G. Laughing. They are laughing. Next. What she's doing? Crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. What the boy doing? Climbing. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. Climbing. I need. What the boy doing? Throwing. T-H-R-O-W-I-N-G. Throwing. What is the boy doing? Opening the door now. Opening. O-P-E-N-I-N-G. These are all the ing forms. What is the boy doing? Eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Here. Laughing. Ing form. Crying. Ing form. Climbing. Ing form. Throwing. Ing form. Opening. Ing form. Eating. Ing form. These are the ing form verbs. These are the continuous verbs. Okay? Today's class is completed. Bye.